out on my lunchtime walk. You know, it's been raining off and on all morning, and earlier I was debating whether to even come out for a walk or not. But I remembered a saying. It's one that I really love. It says, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Wow, so true. I mean, obviously I'm not dancing, I'm not even getting wet right now, but the point is, it would have been really easy for me to skip my walk today because of the potential for rain, but a little bit of rain ain't gonna stop me. My weight has been fluctuating around lately. Several days ago I was in the 170s, and then it jumped back up all the way to like 181 something. Today it's back down in the 170s. I don't really know how to explain that weight gain over the last couple days, but I do know that if I continue to stick to my plan, over time I'll lose weight. And I was also looking back at my food intake over the last several days, and I realized that my calories have been pretty low. I've been under 1,000 calories for several days in a row now. And I know that I think a lot of people will look at that and say, you know, that's unhealthy. And I do know there are potential side effects to having too few calories. I believe gallstones is one of them, but I also hear a lot of things about fatigue and lack of nutrients. And all I can say to those is that I don't experience fatigue. I think, if anything, I feel like I have more energy the last several days. And maybe that's a mindset thing. Maybe it's mind over matter, I don't know. But as far as the food goes and nutrients, I religiously take my multivitamin, I take my supplements, and I'm really just listening to my body. Actually, my plan was to bring a protein bar with me on this walk, but I forgot. So I guess I look at it that way, is, you know, if I'm forgetting to eat, then obviously I'm not hungry enough. It's not on the top of my mind, or else I wouldn't be skipping meals. So again, I'm really just listening to my body and eating enough to make sure I have enough energy for my workouts, my walks, bike rides, whatever I'm doing. Then I'm going from there. I'm definitely not, you know, recommending this as something you need to do. I do recommend, though, you get your mindset right and then listen to your body. That figures. I'm almost on my walk, and now it starts to rain. I was kind of looking forward to it.